Pasensya guys, nagkamali kami. Akala namin sa record. Dami namin sinabi. Naubos na namin halos ang mga gusto ko. Anyway.
Chiang Mai is northern Thailand's chill cultural hub. Think of temples, mountains, night markets, and amazing street food. It's the perfect mix of history, nature, and good vibes. As first-time travelers to Chiang Mai, samahan nyo kami while we explore the chill vibes of the city. Night markets, street food, coffee spots, and all the hidden gems that make this place so special. This is the first part of my Chiang Mai vlog, and it's all about coffee shops and desserts. Let's go! Let's start with a small cafe located below our accommodation. It's very small, it's very simple. They have decent food and drinks. And what I like most about this cafe is it has the privacy if you really need to squeeze in some work before you do all the coffee shop hopping and all the tours. So yeah. Carrot Coffee is a cozy minimalist cafe tucked into the old city of Chiang Mai. The cafe is in a renovated two-story house with exposed concrete walls. Now, very perfect for OOTD. Diba? They have solid coffee options, enclosed courtyard in the back, and of course, the carrot cake.
Dito tayo ngayon sa Graph. Yung isang branch ng Graph. So apparently siya sa mga sikat na coffee shop dito. Let's drive.
Graph Ground is one of the branches of Graph located in Chiang Mai. It's a sleek specialty coffee shop with a minimalist design, creative brews, and vibrant community vibe. Perfect for coffee lovers looking for something beyond the usual cup. They also have desserts and pastries. Roastery Coffee flagship store in Chiang Mai is a bold, modern cafe known for its award-winning baristas, stunning industrial design, and creative signature drinks, making it a must-visit for serious coffee lovers like myself. Marami din dito yung mga nag-work remotely, and also they have cool merchandise.
So nice.
I got this one. Super ganda. Pluto Cafe is a space-themed futuristic cafe na medyo malayo sa Old Town. Pero guys, this is I think the most aesthetic, perfect for OOTD cafe that we tried. They offer coffee, baked goods, light meals, and snacks. Graph Contemporary is another branch of Graph Cafe. This cafe is an immersive experience that blends industrial design, colonial elegance, and artistic touches. Aside from their specialty coffees and pastry, they have a gallery upstairs, which is perfect for OOTDs. Building A is a stylish cafe paired with me and bacon upstairs, serving creative specialty drinks like yuzu americanos and coconut lattes, alongside hearty brunch and homemade sweets, all in a cozy modern space perfect for hanging out or working.
Nagka-crave tayo ng cake, so let's go to Fern Forest Cafe.
Fern Forest Cafe in Chiang Mai feels like stepping into a secret garden. Think white colonial house, lush greenery, and a koi pond. It's the perfect chill spot for a big breakfast, hanging out under the trees with a coffee, and of course, homemade cakes and desserts. Yum! On the way to the gym, we stumbled on a cute little cafe full of cakes. And of course, we had to stop. This is Rich Coffee House, a cozy spot in Sriphum Road in Chiang Mai. Loved for its own homemade sweets, relaxed vibe, and really good coffee.
Outdoor. Cheers! Tapang! Let's see.
Fatara Coffee is nestled in the old city inside Falana Spa. It's a restaurant and a cafe that doubles as a green oasis in the heart of the city. Built-in traditional Lana style with lush garden seating, a pond, and a large water wheel. Tingnan nyo guys. Ganda sa labas. This place feels peaceful even though it's in a busy part of town. Yellow in Chiang Mai is a playful minimalist cafe splashed with pops of yellow. Beyond its clean design, it's known for creative brews like nitro and cold pressed coffee, plus standout soy-based drinks. Land Cafe in Chiang Mai is a peaceful garden cafe inside Villa Alana, serving coffee, Thai and Western dishes, and homemade treats. The cafe has a charming cut glass room surrounded by a lush garden, giving it a cutesy demure vibe, diba? We pop in to enjoy some of their desserts.
We need to try the Thai tea custard, of course the chocolate almond, and ito sa tato itong dried shredded pork and salted egg. Ano pa kaya? Dalang, but let's try their unique flavor. Ano pa kaya? Pandan, maybe. Let's see. And it's only like 20 baht. Like 30 pesos.
Saruda Finest Pastry is a high-end French-style pastry or cake shop by pastry chef Saruda. If you're a dessert lover like me who values style plus flavor, this is a place to savor slowly. Kita nyo naman, every dessert looks like a work of art. Medyo pricey siya, kaya isa lang napili namin, which is this chocolate cake. And oh my god, this is the best dessert that we tried. Dapat lang kasi medyo pricey siya. I hope we could go back and try another cake. Oh my god, the best. I was wandering around Nimman when I spotted this cute little cake shop, so of course I had to check it out. Their cakes are so affordable and looks amazing, so I grabbed two. They also have great coffee selections actually. So I had tiramisu and one coconut cream. Both were so damn good. I actually went back with Earl the next time. If Saruda is a spot for high-end cakes in Chiang Mai, then Sharin is hands down the best for value. Honestly, if I could bring this home, I would. My god, it's so good. I could eat this all day, every day. Grabe, sobrang sarap. Thank you guys for watching part 1 of my Chiang Mai vlog, which is all about coffee and desserts. Next one would be more about food, restaurants, bars, nightlife, and a lot more activities that you can do in Chiang Mai. Please do not forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Like and share this video as well. Sobrang dami pa naming kinain, dami ng pinuntahan. So I hope you stay tuned for the next part of this vlog. Thank you guys and see you in the next one. Bye!